Hi, welcome back to Caterpillar Crochet. My name's Meg and today I am so excited to be introducing to you all the brand new crochet-along Scandi Winter Blanket. Pre-orders for this exciting new crochet-along open on the 28th of August at 7 p.m. UK time. But if you are watching this after pre-orders have opened, do not worry, you can still come along, watch the video, see if you fancy joining this crochet-along, and you can join us at any part. It doesn't matter whether we're part 1, part 2, part 3. You're okay to join, do not worry. The Scandi Winter Blanket is actually our second crochet along here at Caterpillar Crochet, and this one is super exciting because this is our first ever blanket. Now, this crochet along is a mystery, so as much as I would love to be able to show you the whole thing, I can only show you small parts of it. So I do have one of the little sections here, which is a gorgeous blue heart here for you. So hopefully this gives you some ideas of the colours, but I will show you the yarn a little later on into the video. This has been designed to keep you cozy all throughout the autumn and winter months that we are heading to. We are heading to the Burr months, and personally it is one of my favourite times of the year, maybe because I am a winter baby. You are going to want to crochet along with us for this blanket. The Scandi Winter Blanket is very, very beautiful, and the design will gradually reveal itself over the next few months as we crochet along together. In this crochet along, you will be creating 5 beautiful wintry panels before joining everything together and finishing off with a lovely border. The finished blanket size is approximately around 90 by 120 centimeters. And personally, I think you're going to absolutely love watching this all come together. This was designed for Caterpillar Crochet by Lucy Croft, who some of you might know. She regularly designs for the Simply Crochet magazine, so you may have seen a few of her designs in there. But for those of you who don't know Lucy, she is a Bristol-based crochet designer and technical editor, and she's a real colour lover. So we are absolutely delighted to have her design something for Caterpillar Crochet. The Scandi Winter Blanket will be released in 6 parts overall, with the first part being released on the 22nd of September and the last piece being released on the 2nd of December. This means that you can work in a manageable pace that works best for you personally. So this means that you can work on one section at a manageable pace for you whilst still waiting and anticipating what the next part will look like. So by the time that the final part has been released, you'll have a full blanket ready to enjoy for the festive season. And don't worry if you've never taken part in a crochet along or have no idea what a crochet along even is, I'm here to explain that and help you along the way. The Scandi Winter Blanket is perfect for both beginners and experienced crocheters. There's enough mystery and an interesting construction to keep more experienced crocheters engaged, whilst the actual crochet is simple enough for beginners to follow along easily. And it is simple enough that this is going to be such a relaxing, unwinding project. I don't mean unwinding literally, like you're not unwinding your yarn. I mean like unwinding like after a long day of work. You get what I mean. The entire blanket uses treble crochet stitches as you learn the corner to corner technique and how to change color. So that means there are no complicated stitches to worry about. Just simple crochet, beautiful colors, and the excitement of watching your blanket take shape. Here at Caterpillar Crochet, we create lots of fun and exciting, accessible crochet projects designed to help you enjoy crafting. Whether you're completely new to crochet or you've been crocheting for years, months, maybe you've been crocheting practically your whole life, come and join us. And when you join a crochet along, you're not crocheting alone. You'll become part of our wonderful crochet community, all working on the same project, waiting for the next part to be released, and sharing your progress, tips, advice, encouragement along the way that is going to make this experience a million times better than it already is. Fancy getting even more crochet experience from us? You can sign up to our email where where you can receive a free crochet pattern as a little thank you from us. And don't forget to join our Facebook group too. That is where you can come along and chat, make friends, ask for tips, tricks, all sorts over in one amazing supportive group where no question is too silly. So you might be here thinking, Meg, what actually is a crochet-along, also known as a CAL? A crochet-along is where one larger project is broken down into smaller sections, and those sections are released in pattern parts over a set specific time. So rather than receiving the whole pattern at once, you're basically receiving it in 6 different parts, and then the final part you'll be putting it all together. So you've made something huge, beautiful, that you could look at and go, I'm never going to be able to crochet that, but you've just done it because it's been made simple by putting it into smaller parts for you. So it's just a lot easier to manage. It means that you can focus on that specific part in front of you without thinking, oh my goodness, I also need to do this, I need to do that, I need to do this. It's like, no, this is all I've got. This is what I'm going to focus on. I'm going to get this done, finished, ready for the next release part, and now I can focus on that, if that makes sense. But there is absolutely no pressure to keep up with the scheduled release part dates either. You can crochet at your own pace and fit it around your daily life. It's fun, exciting, and a little bit mysterious, because at every new release, you'll be receiving a brand new part that belongs to the blanket, and you don't know what's going to come. So until the very end, that is when you're finally going to know what your masterpiece looks like. Your supplies will be shipped and with you ahead of the part 1 release, but we do always recommend ordering as early as you can just to avoid any delays in shipment. From the 28th of August, you will find that there will be a link in the description box below where you can click on that, head to our website, and that will send you directly to the brand new crochet along. And if you're watching this before the 28th of August, do not worry, come and join us over on our socials as we will be counting down to the pre-order release date. We do ship worldwide, but if you are ordering internationally, we do recommend using a tracked or signed for shipping option just to be on the safe side. If you are ordering the kit as well, everything is included in the kit that you will need to stitch this crochet along. This crochet along includes easy to follow step-by-step guides on how to crochet this specific section. And also we do have the wonderful Mike who has filmed part release videos for that, so it's easy to follow video tutorials as well. You will receive 10 balls of King Cole Fashion Aran in 5 different shades. We've got 2 of these right here, as well as these 2 and this one. So that is 5. I don't think I'm going to be able to hold all 5 up. Let's see. Can you see those 5? These are a lovely cozy wool blend made from 70% premium acrylic and 30% wool. And this also gives you plenty of yarn to be able to complete your blanket. You'll also receive a very comfortable 5mm crochet hook, and our hooks do have an ergonomic grip there as well, just extra comfort for you. You'll receive a set of plastic crochet stitch markers and 1 high quality needle. Everything will be sent out to you as well in this very large organza bag, so you have a project bag ready and waiting for you to take your crochet on the go. And of course, every kit is beautifully hand packaged here in Warwickshire, England. If you want to make your Scandi Winter Blanket experience even better than it already is, we do have a couple of upgrade options available. So you can choose to order the Scandi Winter Blanket crochet along kit as a separate item on its own, or you can add on some of our enamel stitch markers. So you can choose from either our baubles or our cozy homes. If you already have all of the yarn and your crochet hook, do not worry. You can also order this as a PDF option only as well. So that means that you will just be receiving the digital parts, and these will be emailed to you at each part release. You will also have access to the video tutorials as well if you do order with PDF. One of the things I love most about this project is just how manageable it feels. You're not sitting down and thinking, right, I now have to go out and make a full blanket. It's just one small section. We are also here to support you throughout the whole crochet along process. So if you do ever have a question or need a little bit of help, you can reach out to our amazing support team at support@caterpillarcrossstitch.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel here for future tips, tricks, behind the scenes, crochet along crochet-alongs, new kits, so many amazing, exciting things are coming, and I'm very much looking forward to being there with you all. And you can also join us over on Facebook. We do have a Facebook page as well as a Facebook group with our wonderful community, and we're also over on Instagram as well. And I do feel like that is another really special part of joining a crochet along. It's the community that you are going to be stitching along side by side, and I could be here stitching in England, someone could be in Australia, America, Japan, so many amazing places all across the world where we're all doing the same bit at the same time, and it's just bringing us together with people that we'd have probably never spoken to before in our lives if it wasn't for this crochet along, which I think is crazy and just so magical at the same time. All of our links to our social media platforms will be in the description box below, and do make sure if you are sharing your progress with us on any social platforms to use the hashtag Scandi Winter Blanket Cal. I'll pop it on the screen and also in the description box below, so make sure you're using that because we will be checking that out all the time to see your progress pictures. This Scandi Winter Blanket would also make the most amazing gift. You could crochet the whole thing and give a finished blanket to someone you love, or maybe you buy 2 kits and you crochet along with someone in person, or maybe it's a friend across the globe that you can FaceTime or Zoom and you can stitch together. Honestly, it's incredible. Or maybe you know someone that is wanting to start out with crochet, send them this way or gift them the kit, because I would love to receive this. We can also include a free gift note, so at checkout you will have the option to write a personalized message just to make that gifting a little extra special. And you can order with us with full confidence. We offer a 100% money back guarantee because we are so certain that you are going to love this crochet along. Crochet is such a fun, relaxing and enjoyable hobby. We wanted to create a project that allowed you to slow down and unwind, to have some time to yourself and switch off, but also to have that outcome at the end of it, like a physical outcome, because I feel like a lot of us, we are doing things as we're slowing down and we're unwinding, but we don't feel that we are actually achieving anything because there is nothing to physically show for it. Well, here you go, you'll have a beautifully finished blanket to show for it. So if you are ready to join us for the Scandi Winter Blanket crochet along, come over to our website on the 28th of August at 7 p.m. UK time to pre-order yours. And remember, we do recommend ordering early just so that everything is arriving with you ready for the release of part 1. And if you are using international shipping, we do recommend a tracked or signed for option, just to be on the safe side. I was going to try and hold up the previous cal for you, but it's quite big. From what you can see of it, this was our previous crochet along, which is the homespun sampler, which we brought out in the spring earlier this year. And we had so many people who had never crocheted before, or they were only just starting out, who made incredible progress. They were so scared to start, I'll be completely honest. We had a lot of people that were like, I'm pushing myself out of my comfort zone, but I'm absolutely petrified that I'm not going to be any good at this. They created one of these for themselves. They look amazing, they look beautiful. People have been hanging them up in their homes, they've been gifting to people. And I think, again, that's just something so amazing about a crochet along, because you are doing smaller sections, but you're getting something huge at the end of it, which you just never thought you'd be able to accomplish. So if you can achieve this, think of what else you could achieve, honestly. Ow, I just whacked myself in the head with that stick. We can't wait to crochet along with you all for the Scandi Winter Blanket, so do let us know in the comments if you are going to be joining us, and maybe also comment what you think the blanket might feature. So we do know that there are some blue hearts, and that's all I can give you for now. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Again, if you do have any questions or want some further information, do not hesitate to reach out to our amazing customer support team on support@caterpillarcrossstitch.com, and they will be more than happy to help. Make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel and following us across socials to see more behind the scenes, the progress of the Scandi Winter Blanket, and so much more. I can't wait to see you for pre-order on the 28th of August at 7 p.m. UK time, and I'll see you again very, very soon with a brand new video. Bye!